Cukuru mweru wa andu aria mari na wathe wa kuigua Kerugoya kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga ni urikitie gwakwo na ukarika. Aria mari na ciana iri na wathe guku Kirinyaga makiurio kuumiria ciana ciao niguo igunike.
We want also to appeal to the parents who have got children who are deaf or whatever disability to look for an institution that caters for the category of the disability that their children have, and send them there, because they are all human beings, they are all Kenyans, and we want to be able to reach out to every person.
Arugamiriri a cukuru uyu magikenerera na kuria thirikari gwakira aria marubuyanagia na ciana ici nyumba kuona andu mena wathe mabataraga motungata ma mwanya.
And also would also like to have another house, at least to have a total of 3 houses where we are able to house 3 teachers who can take care of these children.
Waki wa cukuru uyu uhuthirite kigina gia ciringi milioni 2 undu uria utugiritio na ugatuika kionereria kia uria utungata ta uyu ungikinya kundu kuingi bururi-ini mbeca cia muingi ingihuthirwo na umenyereri.
And we want to urge all those who are able, they should be able to come out and take advantage of what the government has done.
Cukuru uyu wakitwo kugerera kigina kia andu aria mari na wathe kuma thirikari-ini nene. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.